Hi, baby. Hi, Sienna. How are you, baby girl? Wow, we just finished your photo shoot and I'm thrilled. I'm excited. The way you turned out. So beautiful, so lifelike. Perfect. You're so precious for me. I love your hair. I love your hands. Wow. Just wow. Well, it isn't Christmas time, but we just brought Christmas just for you, okay? For a photo shoot. I like your bear. Well, just look at her. Look at her. She's just so real, so real. Sometimes, I get crazy. I think she's real. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. We have to find a mama the soonest for her. She deserves the best mama ever, the sweetest, the kindest, the most loving mama in the world, just for Sienna, just for my little girl, my precious, precious little girl. The day after tomorrow is Valentine's Day, so me and Sienna send all our love worldwide. Don't miss her. You will regret it because she is given in a great, great price. So don't miss her. Bye from me and my love, Sienna.